Here they come. Mud Pie. Mud Pie. I'm gonna get you. Come here, Mud Pie. Come on, Mud Pie. Here he comes. There he is. He's ready. He's hardy. He's tough. And so is Peanut. Get him, Mud Pie. He loves it. Peanut is eating sticks and Peaches is eating sticks. And that's what we're doing today. Eating sticks and trying to stay out of the cold. Anyhow, this is what we're doing. Mud Pie's ready. And Peaches. Oh no, look at this. This is disgusting. Peaches. Well, I tell you what, you're well trained, Peaches. And there she goes. Now she's going to attack Mud Pie. Let's go in the house. Let's go in. Peaches, I think you need to go in. Huh? What you got on your head? In the house we go. Come on, Peanut. It's a little too cold out here. There he goes. Let's go in and go watch this, okay? Bye.